Hello and welcome. Today I've got two 5.0 or 5 ampere batteries from Milwaukee M18. There is one difference in these two batteries. One's from USA, it's XC 5.0 red lithium, and one's a red lithium 5.0 ampere M18. So USA versus Europe, what's the difference? To explore the differences between these two batteries, we'll have to look on the outside first, and you can see the stickers on the sides are marked different and the sticker in the bottom is different. You can see I've registered this with the Milwaukee website for a warranty. We have to do that over here. The top's the same. This sticker in the front is slightly different. So the reason I'm doing this video is because you'll see a lot of these in my channel, the red lithium 5.0 ampere M18, and a lot of guys from the USA have been confused about that. They've been thinking that this battery, when they see this font on it, is actually a fake, but it's just different because we're on the other side of the pond and we get all our batteries from the Milwaukee Europe as opposed to Milwaukee USA. So I'm glad to do this video because this is the only opportunity I'll have when I've actually got an XC 5.0, which I don't see very often, but occasionally, strangely, I do see them. The first difference, other than the appearance, the slight appearance difference on the outside, is the warranty. The warranty we get over here in Europe, England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, is completely different than what you get in USA and Canada. If you found this by the side of the road in USA or Canada and the date code was sensibly within what it should be, and you took it to a Milwaukee dealer, they just hand you out a new one, and as far as I hear, they probably give you a massage with a happy ending. But that doesn't work over here. In order to claim a warranty, that has to be, if you don't register it with Milwaukee, you only get a year. And not only that, it has to be bought from an authorised Milwaukee dealer. And if you want an extra year, you have to register. You see I registered it on that date. That's how I know. I put a little label on my batteries when I buy them new to know when I registered them if they do fail. And we can't take that to a dealer. We have to deal directly with Milwaukee themselves, and they have a repair centre locally who deals with the warranties and repairs, but we can't take it into the place that we bought it or send it back to the place we bought it. Explore the further differences, which I don't think there's many now. I think we've explored them all, but we're going to take the screws out and I'll just show you. It's a T10 Torx screws in both these batteries. So removing all the screws, you can see they're exactly the same. We have two long screws and two short screws in each battery. There's absolutely no difference there. And if we pull the tops off, this is XC 5.0. You can see a green circuit board. And the red lithium M18, you can see a green circuit board. So that is absolutely identical. Even the wee A on the board, look at that. It's absolutely identical. And if we pull it further out of the pack and put it on the side so you can see the cells, that's the 5.0. I'm not going to mix these up if we can help it. Absolutely the same green cells, same connections. These are Samsung 25Rs and these are Samsung 25Rs. Absolutely no difference. Sometimes I do see the European ones with red cells on them. Sometimes they have red cells on them, which are LG or something like that. But for the most part, Samsung cells are what 25Rs are, what the 5.0 and the XC 5.0, whatever one it is. Samsung 25Rs are the cells that are used. If we compare the casings on side, exactly the same class of plastic. You smart guys out there know what those numbers mean. Exactly the same. There's an AL3 in that one and an AL4 in the USA one, or an AM4. But I'm calling that pretty much identical. What sparked off this video is I finally got an XE 5.0 into the workshop, and I decided it was a good time to show people that have been commenting. There's somebody commenting recently says, I guess that your batteries are different over there. The answer is not really. They're exactly the same. They're exactly the same performance, exactly the same build quality. There's nothing really to choose from. Basically, it's only the stickers. So if you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel. Check me out, Dr. Lefthandthread. Subscribe if you can, and watch all 2,500 of my videos. It'll help the channel. Thank you and goodbye.